So this is Wren from Renee of Paris, and I just got her yesterday. I got her as an open box and an additional deal of 50% off. So she was relatively inexpensive. I didn't realize that her bangs were going to be this color. So right now I am going to change the color of her bangs. I got the skin tone version, and they are alcohol markers, Azure Alcohol Markers. Just this edge right here is the white. This is the black, and I used the black very sparingly. They have a thin side and a thicker side. For the black, I'm using the thin side. This is brown 11. So let's see what it looks like. Let's see when you flip the hair up. It's okay. That'll be alright. So now I'm going to blend in a lighter brown to kind of match the rest of this. I don't think we need any more color. This is a blender. Let's see what that color is. Can you see how it blends, this marker? Yeah. See, you can still see here on the tips that we still need some color. But instead of getting the pin back out, I'm just going to blend. So this is what it looks like after I think I'm done. I feel like it matches really well. It doesn't look stark white to me. And here's what the underneath looks like. You can still see some of the white through there, but we're not gonna have the bangs up. We're gonna have the bangs down. I just think it looks so much better. But that's it. I just wanted to show y'all.